when come to learning character sketching, getting feedback is very important. The reason, when you get more feedbacks from your teacher, the more faster you can able to achieve your goal. Otherwise you will keep trying the same things again and again by thinking that if you practice more and more you can able to improve. That's not 100% true. You need to try, and same time you need to take feedback from your teacher or your coach. So they will help you, they will give you techniques and tips. In this section, especially for this reference image, what you are seeing is the students draw and given, right? So and share the reference also. So I can able to see what all the areas the student is really is done good job, and what all the areas really is struggling, and what tips is really right for him. Got it? So that's what the feedback is important. This is one of my student work, and he is keep improving it. Okay, I given the feedbacks. Usually this complete stuff is created as a video and given to the students. The reason we usually will create as a video and give to the students, so that the student can watch multiple times to understand more and more. When you watch one time, you may get 1 or 2 points, but when you watch multiple times, the students can able to get more perspectives and more understandings. Okay,